All right, so today we're gonna make, I saw this video online, and we're gonna make a Monte Cristo. It's Damon's favorite. So we have ham, got some turkey, we got the cheese, got our pancake mix, got our bread, got our powdered sugar, got the milk, got some fries, got some strawberry preserves. This is my avocado that I'm going to take to work. They're very soft, so I'm going to probably fix those up tonight. Again, let's make the Monte Cristos. Monte Cristos, Monte Cristos. So we're making Monte Cristos. So we're going to start with assembling the sandwich. Let me get a plate. Start with assembling the sandwich. All right, let's assemble our Monte Cristo. So we're gonna start with the cheese first. So I'm gonna put a layer of sharp cheddar. Also, too, we have some Colby Jack cheese. So I'm going to put a little bit of Colby Jack cheese. And then I'm going to do some ham. I'm going to do the ham. All right, so we're doing our Monte Cristo. So here is the sandwich. So it has cheese, ham, mozzarella cheese, Swiss cheese, and then you're gonna kind of slightly press it. I'm gonna just like fold the meat inside a little bit. I don't want the meat to be sticking out. Gonna press it a little bit. Press it. Then I'm gonna set the sandwiches right here for a minute. So these are the sandwiches. Here's the pancake batter. Do a little bit of milk. Gonna do my milk. I still left my batter out just in case it gets too soft. I mean, I don't want it to be thick. So it looks like it's I don't want it to be runny. That's what I'm saying. I don't want it to be runny. All right, so we're making our Monte Cristo. So I cut up the sandwiches, sliced them down the middle. So this is what it looks like. Here's the batter. You hear the grease going? Got the grease going. So we're about to dip our sandwiches. So here are the Monte Cristos. This is, I'm gonna add the powdered sugar. Not bad. Not bad at all. Make sure I'm gonna add some powdered sugar. Not bad at all, guys. Add a little powdered sugar. I think it's the powdered sugar what makes it. So here we go. This is the Monte Cristo. I need the powdered sugar. Here's the powdered sugar. I think it's a pound. Demond. I'm good. I think it's powdered sugar. I need a powdered sugar. Let me see the ham, the cheese. It's pretty good. It's good. So I'm always big back in something. So tonight for dinner, I made Monte Cristos. Homemade Monte Cristos. That's Mom's favorite. And it has ham, cheese, a little bit of powdered sugar on top. You can tell on my chin. It's good.